May 10th, 2025, a perfect spring day in a small Florida town. The street is closed for the annual neighborhood block party. Bounce houses, barbecue smoke in the air, kids running everywhere, live music, hundreds of people dancing in the road.
I apologize, but I do need to go. So, can I move this?
No. The road's closed.
But that's what I'm saying. And all these residents, there's only one way out.
I understand, but it was advertised.
Yeah, so they told me to move my car in here.
Right, but the road is closed.
One single exit, guarded by bright orange cones and 2 patient officers. Then a black BMW rolls up. The driver honks, gets angry, and decides the rules don't apply to her. What happens next is 100% real, caught on Bodycam, and it's the closest thing to a horror movie you'll see on a sunny Saturday afternoon. This is the moment one woman's "I have to get to work" almost turned a celebration into a massacre.
So you can't let people out, okay?
Okay, so like I said, I apologize, but I'm not going to do this.
No, you can't. You can't move the cones. The road's closed. 10 starting units at the Patuxent place. I apologize for the inconvenience. I'll be happy to call you a taxi.
There has to be another way. I'm not taking a taxi all the way to Virginia. I work in Virginia.
I understand. And I apologize for the inconvenience. But unfortunately,
I don't have to come back. I just need to get out. I need to get out. I need to get out. Like, is there any way you can call somebody to, like...
I can't. Unfortunately, there's several people that I've had to say that can't come out. But this is just one of those times where I can't let you out. Check with the fire rescue down there. They'll probably be able to help you.
I'm not trying to be against nobody's law, but I gotta go. So,
I understand. I can't have you do that.
But I gotta
Stop. Stop. You cannot move this. I'm
to.
telling you right now.
Oh, I gotta go to work. What do you want me to do? Like, I have to go to work.
You cannot get out. I can't help you with that. Please do not disturb this area.
I might have to.
Ma'am.
Right then, every sane person would turn around. She doesn't. She inches forward, nudges the cones, and when the officer steps in front to stop her, she floors it.
Stop your car. Stop. Stop.
Excuse me, y'all.
10, there's a lady running down the street now in a BMW. Stop. We're at 6 now. Stop! Stop! Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. You're under arrest.
Okay. Damn it. Okay, I'm just trying to get to work. I just need to get to work. Okay. I'm trying. Oh, damn it. Yeah.
Form a wall. We got cameras. Form a wall, please.
Okay, at least
10-1 in custody.
Tires screech. People scream. Kids scatter. One officer has to jump out of the way as the BMW barrels through the cones, missing strollers and families by inches. The car rockets down the blocked street at 40 miles per hour in a crowd of hundreds.
Fuck. Alright, y'all got report. I'm just trying to get to work. I live in these apartments and there's no other way out.
To 6 and PG.
Can you at least call my back? Call my mom!
Here it is.
Bro, okay, okay.
Relax. Relax.
Stop.
Stay here. 10 to Adam 5, secure that vehicle.
Oh, I'm tired of living here. Is it every time I have to do this? Never get out. Okay. Touch me another way. Please, move your arm. Move your arm!
Stop!
Oh,
Everything's on camera.
I
Stop.
don't care. This is uncomfortable. And my mom is right there. I can't even call her.
You're under arrest. Sit. Turn around, sit on the wall. Sit.
Okay, you can stop touching me.
Sit on the wall.
So, can I go call my mom?
Do you have any injuries?
What?
Do you have any injuries?
No.
Okay. Stop. Just sit on the wall.
I just need to go to fucking work. Like, that's
Well, you're
all
under
I
arrest.
do.
So stop.
She finally slams on the brakes 200 yards later when patrol cars box her in. Officers yank her out, throw her to the ground, and cuff her, while the soundtrack of terrified parents and crying children behind them
Oh, I'm just trying to go to work, bro.
Stop. Relax.
No! Stop! Stop! Bro, get me up! Ah! Oh, I'm just trying to go to work. I'm literally, all I'm trying to do is go to work.
You're not going to work now.
Okay, well, can you get off of me?
Are you going to stop and sit?
I'm trying.
Sit. You may
What?
sit. You may not stand
So
up. You
get
may
off
sit.
me, gosh.
So you can sit. Just sit. You're not going anywhere. You're under arrest.
Pay how much to get out? Because I got to go to work. And who got my phone? Can you call my mom? She's literally in the apartment right there.
No.
Wasn't gonna hit nobody.
You almost hit 25 people coming out of that
Almost
street.
is a hit.
All you had to
You
do
hit
was
the
listen
sergeant.
to me,
I
and
did
you
not
could
hit
have
him.
left. Instead, you bumped me with your car and then drove down the street and almost hit 16, 15 people. What is wrong with you?
I'm trying to get to work.
Okay, we said you couldn't drive. You could have taken an Uber, but no, you wanted to drive your car out in the middle of the street.
And I told you my circumstances, so
Your circumstances don't justify your behavior.
I don't see what I did wrong. But
Maybe a judge can make reason with you.
okay, all right. Can you take me out these cuffs? They're uncomfortable.
You're under arrest. You're going to jail.
Okay, stop touching me. Just get off me then. Just stop touching me.
charged with reckless driving with wanton disregard for safety, felony, fleeing and attempting to elude, resisting without violence. She spends the night in county jail. Her car is impounded. The block party that was supposed to be the highlight of the year is now trauma counseling for dozens of families.
I'm doing it! Like
We'll
what?
call you guys to the station if you need anything.
You're saying. Fuck.
You still have a patrol unit coming for transport?
Damn.
This is a planned thing. Her male counterpart asked if she could get out. Officer Kadiri gave them an option that he would escort them. That was like over an hour ago to get them out of the 7th Street. They didn't come out to do it at that time, and she just did all this. So, are you good?
She just pushed me out of the way of the car.
That's all. This is that car.
What, from last night?
So you guys have prior interaction?
Not with her. The male half.
Male half came to me asking for her to get out, so I told her, you can go and tell her if she comes out right now, we can get her car out of there before Main Street fills up.
Nobody told me that.
Was the post.
So
That was 2.5 hours.
I was gonna break the window out. I thought she had the door locked, and as soon as you got it, I was just.
All right, now for a can you call my mom?
No. You're an adult. How old are you?
It's not about the age, it's about where she's at. She's right there. Like,
What's the date of birth here?
96.
Okay. Yeah, you're an adult.
I never said I wasn't. I'm just saying she's right there. Like literally right there.
Okay. You're an adult.
Okay.
Stay there.
Don't pull away. Don't pull away. We don't need any more of this.
You're fine.
Just be gentle. Like, that's all I'm asking.
I gotta ride back with you.
This isn't road rage or DUI, it's pure entitlement. Here's why it happens and why it never works. Closed road equals law, not a suggestion. Forcing a barricade with people present is felony reckless driving in Florida, up to 5 years. I have to get to work has never, ever been a legal defense when lives are at risk. One impulsive decision turned a $60 Uber ride into thousands in fines, jail time, and a criminal record. Florida sees over 1,200 similar roadblock runner incidents every year. Most end exactly like this.